welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So I'm actually moving into college tomorrow, so I ran a few errands today just to get like some last minute things. I kind of started packing yesterday, so I'm like halfway packed, like 95% done, but I just remembered that I have another box in the basement that I need to like go look through to make sure that I don't like leave anything behind. But yeah, I'm basically just trying to leave as much as I can at home because, you know, I have limited space right now. Yeah, there's only one car taking me to school, so I'm trying my best to leave as much as I can home because, you know, this is a shorter semester. For all we know, it might be 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, like I'm not really sure yet. So I don't want to take my whole life with me, and then coming home is a hassle. So I'm gonna go in my basement and like take out as much as I can, but also leave as much as I can. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. I don't really know where I'm going with this, but I guess I just wanted to show you the whole move-in process. And, you know, if you are going to college right now, hopefully you can relate to the struggle right now. So I put as much as I can to pack this one in the basement, but I'm taking this suitcase. This pretty much has like all of my clothes in it, and then this bin has like shoes in there, and then the bottom bin has some of my fall clothes because, you know, it does get a little colder where I go to school, so I didn't want to just take summer clothes. So hopefully these will fit because my cousin is also coming along with us because she's also moving into college, so I can't really pack that much because we're moving in for 2 people. So hopefully this will work out. So there's a bunch of boxes in here right now, so I have no idea which box I even packed because it's been months that I've been home. So I'm about to just basically look through every single box and try to figure out which one is mine, and I'm hopefully I won't be here for like an hour. Good morning everyone, happy move-in day. So it is now 6 a.m. It is so early. I am so tired. I need coffee or something. But my family and I, we just finished packing the car. We're about to make a quick breakfast and hopefully be able to have that before we go. I'm not really sure how today's gonna go, but we do have to get to my school by a certain time because we have to get tested for COVID when we get there, and you have to make sure you come at your right time slot because you could like affect the rest of the testing schedule. So we're heading there now. It's a couple of hours for a drive, so we're gonna try to leave soon so that we can get there in time. So excuse the mess in the background because we're gonna put all of that in the car. But for my outfit, I wanted to wear something comfortable because we're probably gonna be in the car for a couple hours. So this is a t-shirt from Uniqlo, jeans from Zara, and then I have these Air Force Ones. Let me zoom in. So yeah, this is basically the outfits. So this is all of our stuff. This is stuff for 2 people though, and it's crazy because I also have stuff in the storage at school, but we were able to somehow fit 2 suitcases, what was it, like 3 bins, yeah, duffel bags. Like we made it work, So we're about to start leaving soon. Oh shoot, you see that almost fall. It is so sunny right now, so I can't really see what I'm vlogging right now, but I'm on campus now, and I actually got tested for COVID already, and the test came back negative. So now I'm gonna wait for my cousin because I said she's also coming to the school, so she's getting tested right now. So whenever she's done getting tested, then we should be able to head to Target and Walmart to like pick up any of the stuff that we couldn't buy at home because we didn't have space in the car. So hopefully that'll happen soon, but I'm really happy that I tested negative, and I'm gonna start moving in soon. I also got Starbucks to keep me alive right now because we woke up at 5 a.m. My brother's trying to photobomb me.
Sub to my channel.
No. All right, my cousin just moved her stuff in, so everything that you see here is still mine. So we're gonna head to my dorm now to move my stuff in. So this is the room. Nice and big for 1 person in RA. So I have my own bathroom in here. Where's the light? Okay. So yeah, basically have my own shower, toilet, have my own mirror and everything like that. And then I also have 2 dressers. So I have these over here, these 2 dressers under the bed. And then I also have 2 closets. So I think I'm gonna reorganize this room though, because I feel like I can make it look like more spacious based on like how I move stuff. But I'm bringing in my last cart right now, so I'm actually heading to Target and Walmart with my family right now. And I also have stuff in storage that I'm not getting till later, so yeah, we have a lot to do today. So we're in Target now, so we're gonna start getting stuff for the dorm. No, that's 3 subjects. Get 5. The 5 subjects are here.
But I use my laptop, so that's
That's 3 subjects for now.
That's 5 subjects. So we have 2 carts right now. So we're literally occupying, excuse me, Jalil. We're literally occupying 2 carts already, and we haven't even hit up Walmart yet. So this is gonna be an interesting day.
Aisha, are you wrecked?
You know what?
Are you wrecked?
What does that mean?
She's what? Recording.
So we're back from Walmart and Target.
Oh, come on.
Oh my god. My mama's about to be a bird.
Come on, Nana, I can't see you. Oh. Bring baby.
Wow. Her favorite song.
It's her first day of college.
Oh my god. I can't. We're gonna miss you too.
Daddy killing the vibe.
Oh boy.
Come on, Jelly.
So you're not gonna miss us, mommy?
Don't worry about staying
I
up
should
to
have to
see.
take pictures.
Are you recording?
Oh, are you taking a picture?
Oh, here.
Are you wrecked?
Are you?
Hi family. Hi parents. See you. Have a safe trip. Love you guys. Bye. We miss you too. Hello everyone. It is much later in the day. It's 4:30 now. So my family already left, and I basically moved all of my stuff from storage by myself to my room because like people who aren't students aren't allowed to be inside the building. So it was a struggle because I had to carry my fridge, my microwave, all my winter coats, boots, like everything that I packed away before we had to go back home early last semester is like all here now. And I'm realizing that I have way more stuff than I thought, and I'm just so exhausted because this is just too much for me to do by myself. But yeah, I finally have everything in my room right now. It's probably gonna take me all night to unpack. I bought a bunch of stuff from Walmart and Target, so like my sheets, like everything that I didn't want to bring with me I bought. I don't know if I'm even gonna do a haul because I'm just actually that tired, but hopefully later I'll show you a little bit of what I bought. I also didn't really vlog a lot while I was shopping because it was just a lot of work, and like I mentioned, my cousin is also coming to school with me, so we basically had to also buy stuff for her, and this is her freshman year, so obviously there's a lot of stuff that she needs, unlike me who had a lot of stuff in storage already. So I think before I even do any of this unpacking, I had to eat because I haven't eaten since Starbucks, and that was around like 9 or 10 a.m. So it's been a long day. I'm exhausted, but I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish all this. Probably the entire day. Hopefully I'll show you a little bit of the unpacking. I probably won't show you the final product of the room because I am trying to like move things around because I don't know if I'm like really feeling this layout right now. So I'm gonna probably move things around and, you know, make a whole separate video about how, you know, basically giving a dorm tour, like how I decorated, the things I bought, everything like that. Oh yeah, actually I think I'll do that instead of doing the haul. I'll just include all of the things that I bought in the dorm tour. So I'll probably do that video next week, so definitely stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat now, so I'm hungry. I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'll see you guys later. So this is pretty much all that I have right now. Like, didn't get anywhere at all. I have to unpack like all of these clothes, pretty much everything in here. I also have all these bins, so this is gonna take an entire night, and okay. So it is much later in the night now. It's about to be 10 p.m. and I think I'm getting somewhere with the unpacking. I'm kind of almost done, but I still need to unpack like all my skincare and makeup. I need to sweep everything. I need to set my couch up. I need to make my bed. So like there's still things to do, but it's honestly way better than like what it was before. And I'm sorry if this vlog is very choppy and you know, it's just hours apart, but it's honestly just taking me so long to unpack all of this stuff. So, and that's even like not even unpacking everything. That's me even leaving some stuff in storage or things like that, but I'm still, for some reason, I just still have a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna just do skincare right now. Yeah, maybe like dust the room too, because it's like very dusty because, you know, no one has been in here for a while. So I have to like dust here, sweep here, mop here, and yeah, basically just clean up before the night ends. So for breakfast today, we have an egg and cheese on a bagel, and I'm so sad because they didn't have croissants today, and that's pretty much like the only thing I really eat for breakfast. And then I also have a cup of coffee, so I'm going very, very basic. So this is the theme that I wanted to do for this year's door tag. So I'm basically just finding different color, like Polaroid cameras, and then like adding this Polaroid picture and then their name. So I'm gonna like do a bunch of different colors and then add all of my residents' name. I think I have like 30 residents, and then I also have to make this for other RAs, so this is probably gonna take me a while, so hopefully it all goes well. So good morning, it is 10 a.m. now. So last night I actually ended up just cleaning my entire room and then relaxing and watching TV until I fell asleep. So now it's a new day, so I basically finished everything. I think I just have to, let me see if I can show you. I pretty much need to put my mirror up, which I already have the command hooks for that. I just need to find time to do that today. And I also have to hang up my wall art, so I'm actually gonna do that today as well. That also just needs command hooks. But for the most part, I'm pretty much done with my room. I like moved everything around. I moved my closets, I moved my bed. I completely rearranged it because I wanted it to look like my room from last year, because I don't know, I just really connected with that room. So I really wanted to just recreate it and hopefully bring the good memories of last year back. So I'm actually also probably going to Walmart or Target again today because I realized I didn't get like the mattress topper, you know, like to make the bed a little softer, because I left it at home for some reason. But I'm gonna go get that, and I'm thinking about maybe adding lights to my bathroom because the bathroom seems like a little plain because I didn't like use my skincare to decorate it this time. Like I have my skincare on my desk, so I just felt like it was a little dry, and I thought maybe I can like get something to like make it look a little more lively. So I'm definitely gonna give a full room tour. The reason why I haven't shown too much yet is because I do want to make it a separate video, and I'll try my best to speak about everything that I bought, where you can find it, some dupes, because everything that I bought for the most part wasn't like super expensive. Obviously together it was, but singularly it was pretty like affordable, I would say. So I have a really busy day today. I have RA training. I also have to do my door tags for my residents. I also have to do my board content for my residents, and then I also have to edit this video as well. So I have a lot to do, so I think I'm gonna close this video out here. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any other ideas that you would like me to do while I'm here in school, please let me know. Overall the move-in process was really smooth. Like everything was okay. I so far feel safe here, so I hope that that trend keeps up. But yeah, I post every Sunday at 3 p.m. and I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and I hope that everyone's taking care of their mental health, staying safe, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.